Howdy folks! Today we're diving headfirst into the world of kitchen appliances with the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. Now this ain't your grandma's microwave, though I'm sure she'd appreciate it. We're talking model number BMO 870 BSS1 BUC1 SQ6362515 for those of you taking notes. This machine boasts a solid 4.5 out of 5-star rating with a whopping 687 reviews. All that for a cool $499.99. Stick around and let's find out if this multitasker is worth the price of admission. Now, what do we mean by 3-in-1? It's a question that might have you scratching your head, but let me break it down for you. Well, my friends, this contraption is a microwave, convection oven, and air fryer all rolled into one shiny package. Imagine having the power of 3 different appliances in one compact unit. That's right, it's like the Swiss Army knife of countertop appliances. You get the versatility and convenience of multiple cooking methods without cluttering your kitchen with multiple devices. Need to reheat last night's leftovers in a jiffy? Microwave. This function is perfect for those quick meals when you're in a rush or just need to warm something up. Craving a perfectly roasted chicken? Convection oven. The convection setting ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly, giving you that delicious crispy skin and juicy interior. Dreaming of crispy French fries without the deep-fried guilt? Air fryer to the rescue. This function uses hot air to cook your food, giving you that satisfying crunch without all the extra oil. This thing is a veritable chameleon of culinary convenience. It adapts to your cooking needs, whether you're in the mood for something quick and easy or a more elaborate meal. But hold on, I hear some skeptics out there. Can it really replace 3 separate appliances? Is it truly up to snuff in each category? These are valid questions and we're here to answer them. Let's break it down. The microwave function is as reliable as they come, with multiple power levels and even a defrost setting that won't turn your steak into shoe leather. It's perfect for those everyday tasks like reheating coffee or defrosting meat. The convection oven, with its fan-forced heat distribution, delivers even browning and faster cooking times. Whether you're baking cookies or roasting vegetables, this setting ensures consistent results every time. And the air fryer? Well, let's just say it'll make you rethink your love affair with greasy takeout. It cooks your food to perfection with a fraction of the oil, making it a healthier option for your favorite fried foods. So yes, my friends, this 3-headed beast is a jack of all trades and, dare I say, a master of many. It's designed to make your life easier, giving you the flexibility to cook a wide variety of dishes with just one appliance. Imagine the counter space you'll save, and the convenience of having all these functions at your fingertips. No more juggling multiple appliances or dealing with a cluttered kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone who loves to cook, this 3-in-1 appliance is a game changer. It's not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your cooking experience and making delicious meals easier to achieve. So go ahead, give it a try. Embrace the future of cooking with this versatile, multifunctional kitchen marvel. Your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you. So yes, my friends, this 3-headed beast is a jack of all trades and, dare I say, a master of many. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price tag. When it comes to kitchen appliances, we all know that quality often comes with a hefty price. But is the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 worth its weight in gold? At $499.99, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 is a significant investment. It's not just a casual purchase, it's a commitment to enhancing your kitchen experience. It's not going to be sneaking into your grocery cart on an impulse buy, that's for sure. This is a decision that requires some thought and consideration. But before you balk at the price, let's consider what you're getting, or rather, what you're not getting. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 isn't just a microwave, a convection oven, or an air fryer. It's all 3 combined into one sleek, efficient machine. Think about the cost of a decent microwave, a reliable convection oven, and a trendy air fryer. Each of these appliances can easily set you back a couple of $100s, if not more. Add those up, and suddenly, the Combi Wave starts to look like a bargain. You're not just buying one appliance, you're investing in a multifunctional powerhouse that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Plus, consider the value of counter space. In today's modern kitchens, space is at a premium. Having a single appliance that can do the job of 3 means you can free up valuable real estate on your counter. This multitasker eliminates the need for 3 separate appliances, freeing up precious real estate in your kitchen. Imagine the convenience of having a clean, uncluttered counter ready for any culinary adventure you embark on. And let's not forget the convenience factor. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 simplifies your cooking routine, making it easier to prepare meals without the hassle of juggling multiple gadgets. No more juggling multiple gadgets, cords, and settings. With the Combi Wave, you have one appliance, one set of controls, and a streamlined cooking process. The Combi Wave simplifies your cooking routine with its intuitive controls and streamlined design. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on creating delicious meals rather than figuring out complicated settings. So, while the initial investment might seem steep, the long-term benefits, both in terms of functionality and cost savings, make it a worthwhile investment for the serious home cook. In the end, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 offers a blend of convenience, efficiency, and versatility that justifies its price tag. Let's be honest, folks, we eat with our eyes first. The visual appeal of our food can make or break our dining experience. Imagine sitting down to a meal that looks like it was prepared by a top chef, even if it was just a quick fix in your kitchen. That's the magic of presentation. And in the looks department, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 does not disappoint. Its sleek design and modern aesthetic make it a standout piece in any kitchen. It's not just an appliance, it's a statement. This ain't some plastic fantastic eyesore you want to hide away in a cabinet. We've all had those clunky, unattractive appliances that we wish we could just tuck away out of sight. But the Breville Combi Wave is different. Oh no, this beauty deserves a place of honor on your countertop. It's designed to be seen and admired, blending seamlessly with your kitchen decor while adding a touch of elegance. Clad in sleek, brushed stainless steel, it exudes an air of sophistication and modernity. The material not only looks great but is also durable and easy to clean, ensuring that your kitchen always looks its best. It's the kind of appliance that whispers, "I'm a grown-up now," rather than shouting, "I still eat ramen noodles for dinner." It's a subtle nod to your culinary maturity and your appreciation for quality. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Breville Combi Wave is designed with the user in mind, combining form and function in perfect harmony. The design is also about functionality. Every button, every feature is thoughtfully placed to make your cooking experience as smooth as possible. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, even for those of us who still struggle to program the VCR. No more fumbling with complicated settings or getting frustrated with outdated technology. The digital display is clear and concise, providing all the information you need at a glance. And the interior? It's designed to be as user-friendly as the exterior. Well, it's positively cavernous, with ample space to accommodate a variety of dishes. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing a feast for the family, you'll find the space you need. So whether you're warming up a mug of soup or roasting a whole chicken, the Combi Wave has got you covered. It's versatile, reliable, and ready to impress, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Now let's talk brains. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 isn't just a pretty face, it's got the smarts to back it up. This appliance is packed with technology designed to make your life easier and your food tastier. One of the standout features is the Element IQ system. This intelligent technology automatically adjusts the power levels and cooking times based on the selected function and food weight. That's right, you heard me correctly. This machine takes the guesswork out of cooking. No more second-guessing power levels or setting the timer for too long. The Combi Wave does the thinking for you, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. It's like having a sous chef built right in. And speaking of convenience, let's not forget the pre-programmed settings. From popcorn to pizza, there's a setting for just about everything. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Combi Wave has got your back. Now let's talk about space. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 boasts a generous 1.1 cubic foot capacity. That's right, folks, this ain't no dorm room microwave. We're talking enough room to comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or even a casserole dish for your next potluck. And thanks to the efficient design, you can maximize that space without sacrificing cooking performance. The turntable is large enough to accommodate even your bulkiest dishes, ensuring even heating and cooking. And the multiple power levels and cooking functions give you the flexibility to prepare a wide range of dishes, from delicate fish to hearty stews. So, whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, the Combi Wave has got the capacity to handle it all. Well folks, there you have it. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1. This versatile appliance truly lives up to its name, offering the functionality of 3 appliances in one sleek package. From its intuitive design and smart technology, to its spacious capacity and impressive performance, the Combi Wave is a game-changer for any home cook. Sure, the $499.99 price tag might seem steep at first glance, but when you consider the value, convenience and counter space it saves, it's a worthy investment. So if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a single appliance that can do it all, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 deserves a spot on your countertop.